This is the video about stock items in our new inventory module. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's start by viewing the stock items list. First, click on the Inventory tab. Next, select Stocks. Here, you can see a comprehensive list of all stock items. To make it easier to find specific items, you can use the filter options at the top. We can filter by item type, category, and also the status of the stocks. Next, let us look at how to print the stock items list. Once you've filtered the list to your liking, you may want to print it for record-keeping or sharing purposes. To do this, simply click on the Print button located beside the Clear Filter button. A preview of the stock items list will appear. You can adjust the print settings as needed before finalizing the print. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.